a number is said to be in dash form if it is expressed as a product of a number between 1 and 10 and the integral power of 10. It means, see this example, 5326 5326.6 can be written as 5 point, see this point is shifted 3 places over here, and it is written this 10 raised to, and nothing was there, 10 raised to 0, so 10 raised to 3 now, because 3 points over here shifted 3 places, so 3 zeros added. So this number becomes 5.3266 into 10 raised to 3. Now this form is known as a standard form of decimal number. See here, it is expressed as a number between 1 to 10 and 10 raised to some power. So this is known as a standard form. Next, 3 raised to 0 into 4 raised to 0 minus 5 raised to 0 into 3 equals to, anything raised to 0 is what? 1. So 1 into 1 minus 1 into 3 equals to 1 into 1, 1 minus 3. So it becomes minus 2. That is the answer. Next, 3 square the whole square into 7 square divided by 27 cube into 7 equals to, so solve this. Instead of this division, write it upon, that's easier. So 3 square the whole square means 3 raised to 4, right? 2 into 2. Why? X raised to n, the whole raised to m equals to x raised to nm. That is the law of indices. So 3 raised to 4 into 7 square, same. Now 27 is what? 3 cube. 3 cube the whole cube into 7. So solve this. So earlier numerator is same, 3 raised to 4 into 7 square upon 3 raised to 3 into 3, 9. 3 raised to 9 into 7. Now solve this. 3 raised to 4 minus 9, right? This 9 will go up. So 3 raised to 4 minus 9 into 7 raised to 2 minus nothing is there means 1. So 2 minus 1. So 3 raised to minus 5, this is minus 5, and 7 raised to 1, right? Try it yourself.